Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install School Tool on Linux Mint Daemon 3. School Tool is a free and open source web-based student information system for maintaining school activities, and then the future of School Tool, achievement and goal tracking, attendance journals, event calendars, grade books and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install School Tool on Linux Mint Daemon 3. Now here first of all we have to update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then now we have to install the School Tool application. Now the installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the configuration file of School Tool. Now change insert mode. Here give our domain name. Then here provide the public internet access. Then here give our port number. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart the School Tool service. Then now here we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Then give port number. Now here we can see School Tool application. Now we have to click login. Now here we can see login page of School Tool. Now we have to give username and password. Here default username manager and default password School Tool. Then we have to click login. Then now here we can see admin page of School Tool. Thus we have seen how to install School Tool on Linux Mint Daemon 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.